Hello everyone. As you can see on my screen, jsPDF. So we'll be trying to integrate jsPDF library into React project. So that is our today's task. Okay. So yeah, let's start it and let's install this jsPDF library into React project. Okay. So npm install dash dash save JSPDF. So let it install. Okay, now it's installed. So let's start with importing this JS PDF and let's check it out the document. So yeah, so we have this import statement, import JS PDF from JS PDF. Okay, now next what we need to do is let's check out from this document itself. Okay, so we need to create the instance of this JS PDF. So we created the instance as well. Okay, now let's remove this all, we don't require this. Okay, even this one also not required. So what we will be doing is so whatever content, okay, we have on the page, or maybe once the page is reloaded on the or maybe the first page is loaded, okay, in that case we'll be loading the PDF. Okay, so we'll automatically convert that HTML of the first page into PDF directly. Okay, so yeah, let's do that. So to create this JS PDF, we need to set some properties. Okay, like we need to set the orientation, then what units we have, then format of that PDF, like that we have. Okay, so we can set it. So let's go ahead and do that. So orientation for now we'll choose portrait. Okay, then units we have centimeter, inches, millimeter, points, pixels. So I will go for a millimeter. Okay, then format we have what pages format we have, right? Well, if you know, like when we print the pages, okay, that time we have A4 size print pages and A5 also we have. So like that we can set the format. So I will choose A4 for now. Okay, and yeah, that's it for now, I think, for this. Next what we have is the content which will be printing inside this. Okay, so for now I'll print span. Okay, and I will say hello from the PDF. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to create this effect. Okay, why I'm creating this effect is like we are converting this HTML to PDF, right? So what we need to do is we need to set this div element property, this display to none. Okay, so we will not be showing this text, but we'll be using the inner text of this div element, okay, to print it inside this PDF. Okay, so what I will do, I will just get the DOM element from this div. So I will just move it inside and I will create the reference of this, so it will give me the DOM element of that. So I will say HTML ref. So let HTML ref equals to use ref. Okay, it's imported from React, and what we need is once the HTML ref element is there in the DOM, then we need to do the below things. Okay, so in JSPDF we have one method called HTML. Okay, so that method we can use it to print the HTML and to convert the HTML into PDF. Okay, so this is the method. So in this method we have some properties and this callback function as well. We need to set that. So like just to set the view of that PDF, we need to use this HTML method, and we need to pass this DOM element to that. So whatever DOM element will be passing to this, that will be considered to convert that into PDF. Okay, and other properties also we are going to see that as well. Okay, like margin, auto paging, these fields also we have it. Okay, so let's check it out. So if we have the HTML reference element, okay, then we'll be using that, and we will not save it directly. Okay, there are a lot of options available with this, but right now what we'll be doing is we will be creating one iframe, and we'll be storing we'll be using that iframe to showcase the PDF content inside it, so that at the start only user can see that, and if they want they can download it from the download option. Okay, so let's do that. So before going to that, we need to set some text, like just to actually there are two ways we can set the text inside the PDF. One is we can use this HTML, and the other one is we can set the text from the set text property from this text property from this JSPDF. Okay, so from this JS text PDF, from this text method. Okay, how we can use it? First we need to pass the text. So right now I will say welcome, and I will set it this number to 200 and something like 20 for now. Okay, I don't know like what will be the position for this text, but yeah, we can see that on once we render the page. Okay, maybe I will start the server first, so that we at least get the idea like how the page is looking. Okay, so X and Y position. So what is X and Y? This is the starting of the page. Okay, like from where you want to start this HTML to print. Okay, then we have we'll be creating the iframe. Okay, so const iframe equals to document dot create element. Okay, and iframe we have. Okay, so to set the source of the iframe we need to use the document. So we have source property for this. So doc dot output will be using, and from the output we will use the blob URI. So there are a lot of lot of ways we can get the data of this HTML content. So it's as per our need, like either you want to get the data URL or data URI, or you want just the data URL string. So it's up to you. So I will use blob URI for now. Okay, and yeah, I will be using that iframe. Okay, so iframe is created. Now what we need to do is we need to set the iframe, like from where the iframe should start on the page. So these properties we need to set, and as I need to cover whole page. Okay, so I need to set some properties for iframe, like the position of that, like that. So I will be setting the property called style. So set attribute style, and I will be passing position. Okay, absolute, then top 0, it should start with top 0, then left should be 0, right should be also 0. Okay, and then let's see how this page is looking. But before that, yeah, we need to you know attach this iframe to DOM element. Okay, so document dot body, dot append child. So we should append this iframe to this document body. Okay, now let's see and check the page. Okay, reload. Okay, as you can see, it's loaded, it's loading the iframe inside the page. It's not showing any content. If I show you the elements of this, we have this root element and we have this HTML content inside this. Okay, if I remove this display none property, what will happen is it will show the content. Okay, but before that I need to remove this iframe. Okay, you can see the content is there, but as we have printed the iframe at the top position, it's not showing the content because it is hidden behind that. Okay, so let's reload the page again. Okay, so it's at the okay. Now we need to set the width of this. Okay, so we need to get the full width. So I will set 100%, then height should be 100%, like it should show full page. Okay, and now let's check out the page. Yeah, see, it's showing full page, and yeah, you can see content is going here and there, but yeah, that is fine for now. We can set it. So welcome text, I think it's going beyond the page assign. So we have property called margin. We can set the margins like left, top, right and bottom. So I will set 20 left margin, then top 10 margin, then left 20 and then bottom 10. So let's check out. Yes, you can see this text is like moved from left to, like, some space is there. Okay, and now what we can do is let's set the content over here. So I will change the position to 100, so it will change the welcome message. So if you want to dynamically put some content into your PDF, we can use this doc.text method, and there are other methods as well. Like if you want to change the color of this, then you can use set text color as well. So for this we need to use what I say, some colorings. Okay, like 130, like I will use any random numbers. Okay, I don't know what is the color for color, like it will generate from this. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it's generating the color like this, and yeah, this is the content from HTML, and this is content we generated from the doc.text property. Okay, or the method we can say. Next, what we have, we can set some properties to this. Like if you want to show the content properly, then you can just write down some stylings over here, and that will get automatically applied in the PDF as well. So if you set here like style font weight bold, then automatically it will get applied in the PDF as well. You can see it's getting applied. Okay, so similar to that, you can append any, what I say, any styling to that text, or maybe if you want to add the image also, we have different methods in jsPDF. Like we have add image method as well. Okay, and if you are playing with SVG images, then we have SVG, different methods for SVG as well. So as add SVG as image. So like we have lot of methods here, you guys can explore it, but our main focus today is to just render the text on the page, and I think that we have achieved. Okay, and what else we can do with this is, maybe if suppose you know uh, uh, so right now if you see this text content, okay, it's showing like this. Okay, it's in one line, it's vertically is moving. Okay, but if we have to change the content width, okay, let's do that actually. So I will set the width over here. Okay, and that should be window width. So we can set it like as per the page, like A4 we are using 1024, right? So I will set it like that, and let's see the change. Okay, and again we have is width. So that should be, oh okay, this width actually is for page and window width is for the PDF. Okay, so this I will set it 300 for now. Okay, and let's see the change. Yeah, now you can see this has aligned the text, and it's showing in the horizontal. Okay, so yeah, I think we have achieved this, and we have converted this HTML into PDF. So I hope this will help you in your projects, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to play, like, give them thumbs up, and yeah, just support my channel. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.